We are undoubtedly going to have a very interesting, to say the least, next few days. And with that being said, I want to talk to you a little bit about what I am personally doing, talk to you about some of the buzz that's going around, what analysts are out there saying, and kind of issue a warning as we have some potential scenarios here. We could either get a denial, we could get an approval, or a delay. I want to talk to you about what I personally think is going to happen. Hi and welcome back, everybody. My name's Jake. This is Molt Media. Let's do a quick walk down the beach. I want to first talk about this. We had a popular analyst named Don Alt. Some of you may out there know him, issuing a Bitcoin warning saying 38K is where Bitcoin is potentially going. He analyzed how the decision could lead to a significant drop in the value of Bitcoin, saying basically, regardless, whether we get an approval, we get a denial, or a delay, we are going to 38K. Don Alt suggests that the SEC rejects the spot Bitcoin ETF. Bitcoin could fall by potentially 37% from its current level. He believes such a scenario would damage the market structure established between the 33K to 38K. Then, along with that, analyst traces the origin of the recent surge that we just had based off the entire anticipation of the BTC ETFs. Now, here's some scenarios, guys. Analysts is predicting that even if the approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF in the US is approved, it may not lead to a complete rally. And I'm going to talk to you in a moment what I personally believe is going to happen, of course, what I'm doing. The analyst posts that much of the positive sentiment may already be priced in. We hear baked in. Is the price already baked in due to the anticipation of the event? The analyst foresees that the approval could lead to a short-term increase followed by a potential sell-off. And then finally, compared to current trends in the crypto market, with those seen in healthy stock markets where the performance of both mid and small stocks is very important, he is pointing to the increasing popularity of altcoins like Polkadot, Cosmos, Solana. We talk a lot about XRP, XLM, very popular cryptocurrencies, and noted that growing interest in these cryptocurrencies beyond major players like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This trend could indicate a broader, more resilient market growth supported by real developments and applications built on platforms. Now, with all that being said, he did hit one thing on the head, the nail on the head, in my personal opinion, because I cannot tell you what the future is going to bring. What I can tell you is it's going to be very volatile, and what I personally believe is I do believe if there is an approval, we will see a big pop in the market. But that will be extremely short-lived, like within the 24 hours, and then we will see a massive dump. We just saw liquidations happen the other day. A ton of people got absolutely wrecked, wiped out of the market because they were over-leveraged, doing over-leveraged plays, got completely wrecked, got completely liquidated. And I am very, very confident that the whales have already bought. They're waiting for retail excitement to come in, and it will come in if there's approval. And that's where we'll see the surge, at least immediate surge, in my personal opinion. And then we will see a massive, massive dump. So what am I doing? Well, I recently converted a lot of my digital assets, not all, not even 50%, because I want to stay exposed to the market. I want to have exposure, right? But I did put a large sum in USDC because though I said the other day I didn't buy the dip, big reason wasn't just that I had no dry powder. Guys, I have dry powder. But I think we're going to have a massive dump. Now, with all that, what I will say is I'm extremely, extremely bullish on the direction we are going this year. And at the end of this year, when we judge this market, we are going to see phenomenal gains, in my personal opinion. The likes of XRP, XLM, XTC, Quant, Algorand, HBAR, ICP, all these coins and others, Solana will do well as well, in my personal opinion, are going to do great. AI coins, going to do great. But Why do I think that? Well, you have to refer again to what the big players are doing. What are the elites doing? We know central banks are buying gold, the sums unlike ever before. They are completely stockpiling 44 tons, guys, just in November is what central banks bought. So they are preparing, and we've talked a lot in the past about digital assets like XRP and what XRPL is going to do with real world assets and how you can bring gold, precious metals, things of that nature of real value onto the ledger. I believe it's all 100% a setup. I believe that these particular cryptocurrencies, XRP, XLM, others, right, are and have been chosen and will continue to push the digital revolution for many years to come. With that being said, all cryptocurrencies at the end of the day, not all, but most will do well. All the big blue chip cryptocurrencies that are here to stay are going to do well at the end of the day when we take a look at the end of this year. Now, as we see the new money come in, that is going to pivot this market up. You have to understand, retail will get excited, euphoria will come in my personal opinion. Let me know in the comments section your thoughts and perspectives, but we'll see retail money come in. The whales will do what whales always do, and we just recently said this, and we just talked about what just happened. And we'll see people get wrecked, unfortunately, because it's a dirty game. This is how it's played. You got to think how the elites think, right? We'll see them get dumped on, and then we're going to see a massive, massive explosion, in my personal opinion, in the year of 2024. So with all that being said, let me know your thoughts, your opinions in the comment section. Don't forget to drop an X. That marks the spot. Don't forget to subscribe. Join our community. It's absolutely free. And we will see you all in the next one.